Today, I'm going to break down the exact strategy behind those viral skeleton education shorts that are blowing up on YouTube right now. And the best part is, you can create them using free AI tools. These channels are gaining massive views, crazy engagement, and growing extremely fast. Some of them reach tens of thousands of subscribers with only a small number of videos, and many of their shorts hit millions of views. Their whole content revolves around animated skeleton educational clips. The reason these AI skeleton videos perform so well is because they mix eye-catching visuals, trendy animation, and AI-generated storytelling that perfectly fits the YouTube Shorts algorithm. But getting millions of views is just one part of the story. The real question is, how do you actually monetize this? And is YouTube the only way to make money with these skeleton videos? The answer is no. There are multiple ways you can use this style of content, whether you're a marketer, building an affiliate brand, or promoting your own business. I'll break down all those opportunities at the end of this video. For now, let's jump straight into the step-by-step tutorial, and I'll show you exactly how to create these viral skeleton shorts. First, open ChatGPT, go to Explore GPTs and search for skeleton shorts. Click Start Chat and type your topic. You'll notice there are multiple options available. You can also try the skeleton short topic generator, but for this tutorial, we'll stick with the main option. For example, type skeleton drinking water, hit send, and ChatGPT will instantly generate a main scene and multiple B-roll prompts for your short video. Now let's move to image generation. Open Gemini and click Create Image. Copy the first scene prompt from ChatGPT and paste it there. Next, take a screenshot from any skeleton reel and upload it as a reference image. You can find a link to 4 high-quality skeleton reference images in the description of this video. Choose one and upload it. Click Generate again and download the result image. Repeat the same process for all the scenes and B-roll prompts until you've generated and downloaded every image. Now for video generation, we'll use Grok AI. Open Grok AI and click Upload File. Upload your first scene image, then copy the same scene prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Grok AI. Click Run to generate the video clip. Once it's ready, download it. Repeat this step for each scene image. You might not get the perfect result on the first try. If that happens, you can regenerate the video in Grok AI, adjust the duration, or change the resolution until you're satisfied. In this tutorial, I used 3 images to create 3 short video clips. Next comes the voiceover. You can either write your own script or simply ask ChatGPT. Give me an 8 to 15 second voiceover script for this video, but only for scene, B-roll prompt 1, and B-roll prompt 2. Once you have the script, open ElevenLabs. Go to text-to-speech, paste your script, choose a voice, and click Generate. Then download your voiceover file. Finally, import your video clips and voiceover into any editing software you prefer. Arrange everything on the timeline, make final adjustments, and render your finished video. Now let's watch the final result.
Every strong day starts with a simple choice. Fresh water poured, crystal clear and cold. A steady lift, a refreshing sip, fueling the bones for whatever comes next.
Now that you've seen the final video I created, it's important to understand something. Your results can look completely different. Everything depends on how you write your prompts. If you change the wording, add more details, adjust lighting, camera angles, or mood, you'll get different outputs. So don't expect perfection on the first try. Spend a little time experimenting with these tools. Play with the prompts, adjust settings. That's how you get the exact style and quality you're looking for. Besides this workflow, there are also other AI tools you can use, like Whisk, Flow, and VO3. Whisk is currently free to use, which makes it a great option for beginners. VO 3.1 may be free for a limited time, but after that it can become quite expensive. Instead of paying high subscription costs, you can choose a more affordable option like OpenArt. With OpenArt, you get access to multiple video generation tools in one place. One of the most popular tools right now inside OpenArt is Kling 3. In its latest version, Kling 3 has several improvements that give it an advantage over many other AI video generators. The motion looks smoother, the scene consistency is better, and the overall quality is impressive. You can find the link to OpenArt in the description below this video. So let's talk about the real opportunity here. YouTube is just one option, but it's far from the only way to make money with skeleton-style videos. First, you can build a niche theme page on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Short, consistent skeleton content can attract a large audience. Once you grow that audience, you can monetize through ad revenue, brand deals, and sponsorships. Second, affiliate marketing is a huge opportunity. Imagine creating motivational skeleton videos and promoting fitness products, productivity tools, books, or online courses. You can place affiliate links in your bio or description and earn commissions from every sale. Third, you can use these videos to promote your own business. If you sell digital products, coaching, courses, or even physical products, skeleton videos can become your unique branding style. They grab attention instantly because they're different. Another opportunity is faceless content automation. You can create multiple themed pages, motivation, finance, relationships, self-improvement, all using skeleton characters. With AI tools handling visuals, voiceovers, and scripts, you can scale much faster than traditional content creation. You can also offer this as a service. Many small businesses want short-form video content but don't know how to create it. Once you understand this workflow, you can create skeleton-style promotional videos for clients and charge per video or monthly packages. And finally, you can package this knowledge. Create your own mini course, sell templates, sell prompt packs, or build a community teaching others how to do exactly what you're doing. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you learned something new and that this tutorial gave you a clear, practical way to start creating your own skeleton videos. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next tutorials. I'll be sharing more strategies, tools, and ideas to help you create better content and grow faster. Also, don't forget to like this video and click the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.